Morning students, I Vijayalakshmi, your teacher of English, welcome you all to Rishikul Online School. Students, today we are going to continue Chapter 7, The Glimpses of India, Part 2, Kurg, from the book First Flight. This is Module 5. So come on, let's continue Kurg by Lokesh Abrol. Dear students, till now we read that Kurgis are very hospitable people. The Kurg regiment of Indian Army has the maximum decoration. The chief, the first chief of Indian Army, General Cariappa, was a Kurgi. Now let's continue with the next paragraph of the chapter. And it says the river Kaveri obtains its water from the hills and forest of Kurg. Mahasir, a large freshwater fish, abound in these waters. Kingfishers dive for their catch while squalls and langurs drop partially eaten fruit for the mischief of enjoying the splash and the ripple effect in the clear water. Elephants enjoy being bathed and scrubbed in the river. So, in this way, we came to know that the district is rich in flora and fauna. River Kaveri flows through Kurg, and river rafting, canoeing, and so many other activities, so many other sports are available here. The most laid back individuals become converts to the life of high energy adventure with river rafting, canoeing, rappelling, rock climbing, and mountain biking. Numerous walking trails in this region are a favorite with tracker. So you can see here in these lines Lokesh Abrol is telling us about Kurg. He's saying one can enjoy rock climbing, mountain hiking, and so many other adventurous activities there in Kurg. Kurg is really an adventurous place. Here certain word meanings are given for you like laid back, rafting, and canoeing. You have to note down these in your master register. Birds, bees, and butterflies are there to give you company. Macaws, Malabar squirrels, and langur and slender lories keep a watchful eye from the tree canopy. I do, however, prefer to step aside for wild animals. Elephants. The climb to the Brahmagiri hills brings you into a panoramic view of the entire misty landscape of Kurg. Here in these lines, Lokesh Abrol says that when one reaches the top of Brahmagiri hills, one sees the panoramic views, and walking over the rope bridge takes one to 34-acre island of Nisargadham, the largest Buddhist Tibetan settlement is in Bailakuppe in Kurg. So Kurg is really a very good place for all of the people. This I have already told you. A walk across the rope bridge leads to the 64-acre island of Nisargadhama. Running into Buddhist monks from India's largest Tibetan settlement at nearby Bailakuppe is a bonus. The monks in red arc and yellow robes are amongst the many surprises that wait to be discovered by visitors searching for the heart and soul of India right here in Coorg. So here the poet, the writer, want to convey that the largest Buddhist Tibetan settlement is in Coorg. So it is a place worth visiting. Thank you very much. We will meet soon in next lecture with part 3.